Hey guys, today I want to show you a bowling machine batting drill you can use to practice hitting the same ball behind square or in front of square. So the way that you can practice that is setting up cones as gates. Okay, so here I've got red cones as a gate to go behind square, backward a point, and I've got the yellow cones there to go in front of square. So all it is with this is contact point. So I'm meeting the ball under my eyes to hit it to the yellow cone, and I'll have to meet the ball even later behind me to get it to the red cones. So all it is contact point. So yellow, I'm out in front. And red, I'm keeping it as far back as I can, I'm moving later. A progression you can use for this drill is to get your coach or training partner to call out the cones, the gates you have to hit, and then you have to execute. Red. So red. So I'm leaving late and I'm contacting the ball as far behind me as I can for the red cones. Yellow. Yellow is a more stronger stride to the ball. Okay, I'm still meeting the ball under my eyes, but it's just a little bit further out in front.